Hello guys, welcome back sa bagutang nga vlog. So puto-puta ka mo daan ni Ma'am Linchin sa mo na. Ikot-likot naman to sa Bacolod. So subong yama ano kami, mabakal kami di laga sa may Once Lechon. So puto ka mo da. Pa lang kami sa may Pakato Plaza. Dito malabay sa may plaza. Oh.
You said the same thing I told ya. My eyes are clear, there's no secret. I wanna know, was it serious? I need it clear, my best friend. Isn't easy to show with the weight of the world on my shoulders. I know I told you, it's the best light I know. It's not a game that I am playing, my love. Trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way, I think that I might. I know you made it in the nick of time. I'm calling on you. I think we're made of something. I wanna find a new keeper. I like the way it's mysterious. I think I found my own way. Isn't easy to show with the weight of the world on my shoulders. I know I told you, it's the best light I know. It's not a game that I am playing. Trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way, I think that I might. I know you made it in the nick of time. I'm calling on you. I think we're made of something. I think we're made of something. Trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way, I think that I might. I know you made it in the nick of time. I'm calling on you. I think we're made of something. I think we're made of something.
Ano siya guys, ano yun? Ang old nga guys, ano? Guys, ano main, guys, ano main. King's Hotel, ito kan King's Hotel.
Agay.
Ang tao. Take out lang tadi.
Take out lang tao.
Ito pala niya gawin, damo tao. Ito rin, ito sisigit yung paksi.
Damo ka.
Water, kaya ang ina, ga, single serve, dito 50.
Tik pala niya, gano'n daan.
Inaga lang natin.
Single serve na ako, Mega.
Baka, on take out.
Wala ka bilang?
Isa ka single serve ka.
Ah, take out, sir. Apang kala, sir. Sige mo, sir. Ah, sige, sige.
Ilang serve lechon nyo ba?
Lechon, 250. 1,000 na ang kilo. Minimum 1/4.
140
Ah,
Amo ka po si mama.
Oo.
isa lang ito. Anong
Araw to, ato ako dyan.
Ito taga may sa ano, sakto. Waran.
lechon na agano to, linaga? Amo na na.
So grabe gito kasako sa ila sa one lechon. So ano na lang to, tag 130 lang to galing ila ano, laga. So guys, mapa ano to subong mapa NGC to subong. Kaya naglabay kami to kagina ni Ma'am Linchin sa may NGC daw may mga tent to kag may mga prungkuan ti siling namon basi may activity wala sila karon na so malantaw ta to subong guys. May ano, State of the City address. Oh, si Mayor Albi. Wala oh. State of the City address. Ang ba't ang oras na? Hindi ako, last na niya State of the City address ni Mayor Albi. Huwag pa mga kasugod. Huwag pa mga kasugod. Huwag pa mga kasugod. Traffic, it's traffic. Udah mau nggak tahu, nggak mau lagi penunggu. Mang fishbowl ta. Ang likod guys, oh, yung sira ng drama da building. Wala ko tadi sa ano sa may likod sa ginapatbulan sa mga itsura sa likod.
Sige, pass.
Kaya yung patindugan, nabi ano, building.
Para tuwa sa una.
Oo, sa una, football field. Eh, kung may mga, ano pang Japon, wala, ano Japon dyan. Jutay Pagampang ah. Daya mo na kilang ilang ginapa ano, ang guma mo nang nasakyan pa naog oh. Ang guma mo nang nasakyan pa naog. Inapatiyog sin duha ka bata. Ito. Ano daw ano? Salbabita ulit. Tapos sinapaslide. Ay mamang kota dahil kung pilang entrance hari para sigurado. Mang kota kang pilang entrance. Sir, ti pila entrance si Subong?
100 per head.
100. Oh. Sige, thank you.
Dari ka biya pa mangit.
Oo.
Magsagot sa biya.
Kamu mo ka lang. Mantap. Ito. Deep Paris. Velvet Pops. Ano itong dumakong isang ulo sa elementaryo? Kari tayo? Velvet.
Velvet.
Ano ba yan? Balot.
Ito mga trick.
Ngayon na nabay ka nito ting.
Aga pa biyaan sila ko magano. Kamabisoy nga ano.
Wow, bunga kita ringi jauh. Ini tuh skillet ni.
In 2022, Bacolod made a choice to clean up the system, to demand more from its leaders, to believe that real change was possible. Under the leadership of Mayor Albi Benitez, that promise of change became a plan, clear, bold, and uncompromising. Governance was reformed. Ghost employees removed, processes digitized. For the first time, government began to truly work for the people. Bacolod started turning corners, one asphalt overlay, one policy, one empowered community at a time. The city wasn't just catching up, it was moving forward. Public health became more accessible, peace and order more secure, and Bacolod began laying the groundwork for a future shaped by innovation, mobility, and inclusivity. There were critics, there was resistance, but reform held its ground because Bacolod chose to move forward and never look back. This is Bacolod, resilient, reimagined, and ready. As he delivers his final State of the City address, marking a legacy of change and the vision that continues beyond. Ladies and gentlemen, Mayor Albi Benitez.
Please be seated. I want to do a State of the City address. I think you've seen it. No, kidding aside. Allow me to greet our very own beloved Congressman of the City of Bacolod, Congressman Greg Casataya, other members of the House of Representatives, members of the Sangguniang Pandalawigan, Vice Mayor Ensid Familiaran, members of Sangguniang Panlusod of Bacolod, Negros Occidental mayors, barangay officials, shout out sa mga kaupod naton nga Team Asenso, diin ka mo. Para sa lahat. Fellow public servants, and most of all, mga pinalanggam kong mga pumuluyo sang Bacolod. Mayong gabi sa inyo tanan. Nagatindog ko subong sa inyong atubang, hindi lang bilang inyong alkalde, kundi kaisa sa inyong pag-asenso sa syudad sa Bacolod. When I assumed office in 2022, I felt a city that was lethargic, stagnant, and bereft of a clear direction. Change was needed. So we made a pledge to sweep away inefficiencies, to challenge complacency, and to always put people first. 3 years on, that pledge has become performance. The state of our city is no longer a question. It is a proud answer. Bacolod is now a season of adapting and reinventing itself as a resilient, forward-looking community that refuses to settle for pwede na. Yes, the road was rough, but every resistance proved one thing: real change was happening. Malawig pa ang alagyan pakadto sa pagbago, pero ari na kita sa gusto na direksyon.
So guys, thank you gid sa pag-produce kong samon nga daw samon nga vlog. So shout out kay Sir Boots kay Ma'am Rosie. Thank you again sa support mo sa among YouTube channel. Tapos shout out mga sa kay Sir Rolf Temenberg kay Ma'am Temenberg sa Germany. So madaming salamat. Halong kamutanan. God bless. Thank you again.